Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello. Can you hear me, Anjali, Roshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it's okay. Okay, good morning, all of you. All of you switch on your video. Children, all of you switch on your video. Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning.
Ma'am, I mistakenly joined board 11.
I also last our previous board is 11. I also went board 11 first. Then I came back. Okay, no problem. So last day we discussed about the nth term of AP, and one problem we didn't complete. Which was that? Read that last question. What was the last problem that we didn't complete? Switch on your video, all of you. Gauri, Adulya, Rachel, Devasana, Elsa, Aaron, Shania, Emrin, Vishnu, Anthony, Eva, Chetra, all. Lena, read last class work. Lena.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
21, 18, 15, etc. is also.
Read.
21, 18, 15, etc.
Not clear. Anybody else read? Anjali, read it.
Which term of 21, 18, 15 is negative
Negative
18?
81. And also is a new
81.
term 0.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
put your answer. Okay. So question. It
And
was
that we done.
huh?
That question we done.
35. Up
We
to
get
35 we did.
35.
Okay. One more question is there. That's why I'm repeating the same question. Those who didn't follow, you listen to this. AP is given. AP is 21. AP is 21, 18, 15, etc. The given AP is 21, 18, 15, etc. And question is, is 81 is a term, or which term of AP is 81? Question, 81 is a term in this AP, etc. 81 will be there. Question, which term is 81? That was the question. Which term is 81? Okay, so let us take that B as AN. We don't know the N, which term? That was the question. For whether it is 10th term or 12th term, that. Okay, so we don't know which term is 81, but 81 is there. So let us take 81 as AN. Okay, so let AN equal to 81. And we have A equal to 21 and D equal to 18 minus 21, negative 3. A and D we know. So let AN equal to 81, and formula for AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. That is equal to 81. A is 21 plus N minus 1 into D is negative 3 equal to 81. Okay. So N minus 1 into negative 3 equal to 81 minus 21. 81 minus 21 is 60. Okay. Now, negative 3n, removing the bracket on left side. Negative 3n plus 3 equal to 60. So, negative 3n equal to 60 minus 3. 60 minus 3 is 50.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, which question now? 11, 12 question now.
Negative 81. No question is negative 81. Okay. So it is negative 81.
Ma'am,
So
question
this will
12
be
now.
1 not
Ma'am, up to 11 question have we done?
negative 81,
Ma'am.
21 plus 3. Okay, 21, negative 21, is it? Or positive 21? 21,
Ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am,
So it is,
11 question have we done? Ma'am.
so negative 3n equal to 105.
Ma'am.
Negative. Negative
Ma'am.
3n equal to negative 105. n
Ma'am.
equal to negative 105
Ma'am.
by 3. That is equal to 35. Up to this we did, isn't it? All of you check your book whether up to this is there in your book, isn't it? Hmm?
Yes.
Nisan,
Yes, ma'am.
this question is there in your book?
Ma'am, up to 11 question have we done?
Okay, so n equal to 35. Up to this is there in your book, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
There in your book? Okay, okay, good. So any doubt up to this? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question is there in your question. What was that? Is zero is a term in that AP. Is any term 0? Okay. This is a decreasing AP. 21, 18, 15, etc. It is decreasing. So in between, whether somewhere 0 is coming or not. That is the question. Is 0 anywhere? Is 0 a term of that AP? Okay. So let us assume that 0 is a term. And we will take which term it is. Okay. So we will take, let an equal to 0. Let an equal to 0. And we will check the n. From there, we can find whether it is there or not. Okay, let an equal to 0 means a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. A is 21 plus n minus 1 into negative 3 equal to 0. So 21 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 0. 24 minus 3n equal to 0. Minus 3n equal to minus 24. n equal to minus 24 by minus 3, that is 8. So 0 is there and it is the 8th term. 8th term is 0. So 8th term is 0. Here 35th term is negative 81. 35th term is negative 81. 35th term is negative 81. 8th term is 0. All of you go through the question and answer once. If any doubt, I will explain it again. First question is 81 is which term? 81 is there and which term it is. So let us take an equal to 81 and we will find n. On next, which term is 0? That was the question. So let us take an equal to 0, an equal to 0 and find out what is the value of n. Okay, is it clear all of you? Can I move to the next question?
Ma'am, you can show board.
Huh?
You can show the board.
Okay.
Ma'am. And this question, what, ma'am, up to 11 question have we done?
11th one. Which 11th one? We didn't reach 11th.
That, I'm answer the question one.
Okay. If it is clear, we will move to the next one. Any doubt you ask? I will, otherwise I am going to the next question. Right, next one.
And that question, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, that is.
Which was that?
We done not an AP, that is, but 10th, 11th set.
That is from the previous exercise, I think. This previous exercise. We move to the next exercise. This is second one, second exercise. 5.2 it is.
Okay.
Right, next question. Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? Right, all of you. Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? 3, 18, 13, 3, 3, 8, 13, 18, 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78. 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78. How can we start with this question? Which term of the AP? 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78. How can we start with? Sowell.
A is equal to
Ah.
3.
Hmm?
A
A
is
equal to 3. Okay. Then
equal to 3 minus B is equal to 3 minus 3.
then that okay. A equal to 3. Sowell, what's the next? What next, Sowell?
Can you show the question? I didn't.
Question I will show. Question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? 78 is which term of this AP? That is the question. Anjali, how can we start with
Finding
finding
n.
n? So what is the first step? How can we start?
An is equal to
An equal to n. Okay, yes. Here, which term means we need to find n. We need to find n. Which term means?
78.
Yes, correct. We need to find the n. So let us take an equal to 78. Correct, Anjali. Listen, children, all of you listen thoroughly because this is actually a simple chapter. Don't make much confused in this. Okay. So any doubt you ask. This question, only few types of questions. Only few types of questions are there in this lesson. Okay. So you go thoroughly. First type is we need to find which term of a given number in this AP. Which term means we need to find n. For that, let us take the given number as an. In this question, which term of 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? 78 is which term of this AP? That was the question. Okay. So, let us take an equal to 78. An equal to 78 and write what is given. A equal to 3, D equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. A equal to 3, D equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Now substitute. What is the formula for an? An equal to?
Equal to A plus n minus 1.
All of you say 3 times. All of you say 3 times. An equal to?
A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D.
No need to unmute. Say all of you. Sania, Revu, Devasena, Sai, Sriram, Melita, all of you switch on your videos. What is the formula for an, Nihal? An equal to? Nihal. Formula for an. Nihal. Can you hear me, Nihal? No. Shweta, formula for an. Shweta, formula for an. No. Kshetra, formula for an.
A plus n minus 1 into D.
Elsa,
A plus n minus 1 into
Tania,
A plus n minus 1 into D.
Alna, an.
A plus n minus 1 into D.
Rachel Boban,
Ma'am, A plus
Uh,
A plus
uh.
9.
A plus
A
formula
plus-
for AN. Did you write the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
There, it is there in your book. Read. Rachel, did you write the first question?
I'm reading.
Find out formula for AN from your book. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is 78. A is 3 plus N minus 1 into N minus 1 into D is 5. We need to find N. Okay. So 78 AN equal to 3 plus 3 is A. N minus 1 into D is 5. Okay. So this is equal to 3 plus 5N minus 5. 3 plus 5N minus 5. This is 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 5N. So 78 plus 2 equal to 5N. 78 plus 2, 80 equal to 5N. So N equal to 80 by 5. N equal to 80 divided by 5. Find how much it is.
Ma'am, 16.
N equal to
16.
16. N equal to 16, which means 78 is 16th term. In the SAP, 78 is 16th term. Next, over
Ma'am, in that you identify N and N, no.
N. Question which term? So we need to find the N. Is 78 is which term, whether it is 10th term or 15th term. So we have to start it from AN. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is, we are taking let AN as 78. So 78 equal to, substitute the value of A and D. Abin, is it clear, Abin? Eva, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, right, next question. Check whether check whether 301 is a term. 301 is a term. 301 is a term of the list of numbers. 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 5, 11, 17, 23, etc. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, etc. etc.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, Said, how we will start with this question? Said, we need to check whether 301 is 301 is a term of that list of numbers. How can we start with? Said, how can we start with?
We need to find AN.
AN. Okay, AN, we can start with AN, but first of all, it is not given, it is an AP. What they said, it is a list of numbers only. Okay, see the question. See the question. The check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. It's not given, it is an AP. So first of all, we have to check whether the given list of numbers is an AP or not. Okay, is it clear, Srihari, Elsa, Shweta? We need to check whether it is an AP or not. So first of all, you check whether it is an AP and say, all of you check. We have done many examples for checking AP. Say whether it is an AP or not.
And it's an AP.
It is an AP with D. What is D?
6.
6. Yes, it is an AP with a D6 because we have 11 minus 5 equal to 6, 17 minus 11 equal to 6, 23 minus 17 equal to 6. Okay, so it is an AP. The given list of numbers is an AP. It is an AP with A equal to 5, D equal to 6. It is an AP with A equal to 5 and D equal to 6. Now, we can take AN equal to 301. Take AN equal to 301. Let AN equal to 301. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 301 because for AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into D6 equal to 301. Find n.
Ma'am, it is not in the. It
Equal
is
to
not in. Ma'am, there is not at P1, 301.
n equal to what?
Ma'am, that term is not there.
302 divided by 6 or 151 divided by 3 is a decimal number, isn't it? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
does it mean?
That term doesn't exist.
301, it's become a decimal number. 150 is not an integer. Okay, so the position of a number cannot be a decimal value. So because we can't say which one, 301. No, 301 is 17.16th term. That we can't say. Either it is 17th term or 18th term. Position we can't say a decimal value. Okay, so how can we conclude? 301 is not a member of this AP. Okay, n is not a positive integer Since n is not a positive integer, since n is not a positive integer, 301 cannot be a term in the given AP. Not a term in the given AP. If it is a positive number, integer, we can say that it is a member of that AP. Here, it is not a member because n is not a positive integer. It's a decimal number. That cannot be. We can't say this number is 13.5th term. That's why we can't say either 13th term or 14th term or 15th term. Decimal n can't be a negative number. No, can't be a decimal number. So 301 is not a term in the given AP. Okay.
Ma'am, A is not a.
Hmm?
Can you read that?
Can
Since
say loudly because I can't hear you properly. Say loudly. Rohan.
Ma'am, he told A is not a set. But
ma'am,
can you
A
repeat?
is not a.
A is
Not a.
Rohan, one person say. Rohan, what you're saying?
Ma'am, A is not a.
A is there. A is 5, but 301. Not 301 cannot be a term. Term in the given AP. 301 cannot be a term. This one, term. Is it clear? 301 is not a term in the given AP. Is it okay, Rohan, now?
Ma'am, why we are not doing that? Ma'am, in first question we do that 2 plus 5 and negative 2 plus 5 and but we are not doing it.
It's not clear to me. What you're asking is not clear to me.
Ma'am, in first question that 3 plus 5 and minus 5 we don't know that a plus and minus 1 that then why we are doing that 2 minus 2 plus 5 and
See, removing the bracket, 5n minus 5, removing the bracket. Okay. Now, next one, next question. Next question. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms of the AP. Find the number of terms of the AP. Find the number of terms of the AP. 7, 13, 19, etc. 205. We are doing exercise 5.2, page 106. If you want, you can take that page so that you can easily write the question. Page 106. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms of the AP 7, 13, 19, etc. 205. Last term is given 205. Okay. Children, you do one thing. Our first period